Each area of the lung should sound a certain way, and if it doesn't, we know there's a problem. First is crackles. So crackles are a fine popping noise that are caused by fluid in and around the alveoli. So here's your alveoli, and if you get fluid in them, sometimes they get stuck or they get stuck closed, and when you take a nice deep breath, it actually pops them back open. Wheezing happens in the small airways when they are narrowed. It's like a whistle. It's got this tiny little hole, and you're going to hear this whistling sound because of that narrowing of the airways. This could be on inspiration or expiration. It just kind of depends on what the disease process is that's going on in the patient.